Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today, we're gonna tell Bella to whack her tail like this or not like that. Okay. So Bella, are you gonna like and subscribe? Right? Come on. This is the camera. I'm backing up. You nasty. Okay. Bella, whack your tail 3 times in a row. Oh! She did it 3 times. So I'm not. Okay, let's do it like 4 times. Bella, whack your tail 4 times in a row. No, that's enough. But you did whack it though. You guys didn't see Bella a long time online. But I'll be showing her when I got her. Look. Ah! Bella, what did I just do, bruh? You show Bella this big cute face. Yeah, I did it. Bella, whack your tail 2 times again, okay? I still doing it. Yo, stop. Okay, Bella, stop whacking your tail. Okay, I'll do it again. Bella, stop whacking your tail, okay? Let's see how it works out. It's that word. I'm not even saying it. Come here. Can you wake up, Bella? Ah. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. Look, he's getting close to my camera. Oh. Ooh. Hey. Mm. Bella, seriously?